Hey there guys, how's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the Staples vinyl coated paper clips. These are the trombones. Yeah, these are very interesting paper clips. In my line of work, I like to organize things in a lot of different ways. And if you're like me, certain particular like files and stuff like that you may have at your job or anywhere, if you're just a person that likes to organize your bills or whatever, and you paper clip things together, I like to color code everything. I'm almost OCD about it. I mean, I really like to only put certain color on certain things so I can find and locate them fast. Convenience is like a thing for me. I love convenience and I love being able to just get stuff. Like, boom, there it is. I mean, that's what I like. And these paper clips help me do that because they're colored. And before I found this, I would have to buy individual packs of paper clips that had different colors. And I actually did that. And actually I had my wife do it, but I had to have it done, is what I should say. But I found this and it came with assorted everything. I mean, it was really good. And this is plenty for me too. I mean, I'm not putting paper clips on everything, but it's great. It comes in blue, yellow, red, green, silver, and black. Now, more than anything, like everyone else, I use silver for just the stuff that I don't even really care about. Okay, I mean just your average, usage, and it works well. I use green for anything that has to do with money, like any kind of filing of receipts or things like that, or lists of things that need to be bought or stuff like that. Now I use the red to indicate bills that have to be paid, or anything, has to do with things that are emergencies, a bill that needs to be paid right away, or something that needs to be taken care of right away, anything. But it usually refers to some kind of a bill. Yeah. And the yellow I used for things that have to be done, like say on a personal level, like around the house or a home, or notices that I would get from, say, the brush clearings, or someone wants donations for something, or things like that. It's almost a miscellaneous one. And the blues are for everything that is going good. Yeah, everything that is finished and just filed away and is now in archive. Yeah. Black is kind of like used in the same way as the silvers. I don't really have a whole lot of use for the black. I just use them randomly. But yeah, these work very well. They're very strong paper clips. They hold very strongly, and they have a nice vinyl coat. The coating on them is very, it almost feels like a rubber on the outside, but it really does the job well. I like these paper clips, and they hold nice and strong to your papers, and yeah, they're really good. And I know not a whole lot of people need several colors, but this also works well for children's projects. If you want them to make like a necklace or something creative, your little kids, like between the ages of say 3 years old and 5 years old, I guess, could do all kind of things with colored paper clips as far as being creative. Doesn't have to always be about work, but I've done that also, and my little son has had a blast using paper clips, stringing them together and see what different designs he can make and all that. And it's always been cool. It's been very good. I like it a lot. Yeah, so I've used these for a good while now, and my wife actually is the one that found these, and it was really, really great that she did, because it's really nice to have assorted different color paper clips in a good size that you use for all your stuff. And these work well. They don't break or anything. They're not brittle, nothing like that. All right, so we're talking about the Staples vinyl coated paper clips. Yeah, I like these a lot. The trombones. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.